Slack versus Trello. Which collaboration tool wins? Choosing the right collaboration tool can completely change how you manage teamwork without wasting time. Slack focuses on communication, while Trello centers on task organization. Slack and Trello are popular tools for team collaboration, but their core difference lies in purpose. Slack is designed for real-time messaging and communication, while Trello provides a visual platform for project and task management. Slack is a communication platform that brings teams together through instant messaging, voice, and video calls. It organizes conversations into channels based on projects, departments, or topics, making it easy to stay connected. Slack integrates with numerous apps and services, allowing seamless workflows without switching contexts. Its strength lies in fostering quick, dynamic communication and collaboration, ideal for teams needing constant interaction. However, Slack can become overwhelming with high message volumes, and important information may get lost if not managed properly. It suits teams focused on communication-heavy projects, remote work, or those requiring fast decision-making and feedback loops. Slack's searchable history and notification controls help users stay organized despite the fast pace. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and workflows. It works by allowing users to create cards for individual tasks, which can be moved across lists representing different stages such as to-do, in progress, and done. Trello's strength is its simplicity and flexibility, making it easy to track progress and prioritize work visually. It supports integrations with various apps to enhance productivity, but it lacks native communication features beyond comments on cards. Trello is ideal for teams focused on task management, project tracking, and those who prefer a clear visual overview of their work. Its straightforward interface suits teams new to project management or those who want to avoid complex setups. Trello works well for managing deadlines, assignments, and workflows without the noise of constant messaging. Slack excels in environments where communication speed and clarity are critical, such as customer support or creative brainstorming. It keeps conversations flowing, but can be distracting if not managed. Trello shines when task visibility and progress tracking are priorities, like software development or event planning. While Slack focuses on messaging, Trello provides structure through visual task boards. Teams that need both communication and task management often use them together. Slack's real-time chats complement Trello's organized workflows, but choosing one depends on your team's primary needs. If rapid interaction and collaboration dominate, Slack leads. For clear task oversight and project tracking, Trello is the better fit. Choose Slack if your team values instant communication and quick collaboration in a dynamic environment that demands real-time interaction and fast feedback. Option Trello if your focus is on task organization and visual project management without the distraction of constant messaging. Both tools excel in their domains, so aligning your choice with your team's workflow style ensures maximum productivity and smoother collaboration.